These are the Kone Monospaces at Indooroopilly shopping centre. Going down, whatever. The 6 and 7. Two paddling playgrounds, 26 persons. These ones still 2013.
Level 1. Going 1. Going down.
These are the Liverpool boys, which is nice.
Level 3. Level 5. Level 6.
Right, that's the cabinets. One's barely lined up.
Level 5. Going down.
I'm just going to film one set. Is maintained by Schindler.
Level 1.